Working on a 1996 F250 with a Power Stroke engine in it, 7.3 liter. And trying to change the IPR valve. And there is just no room down in there. So the IPR valve is located, surely you know where it's at, right down there. If you can see it, I have the valve part off, the solenoid part. All that's there yet is a stem, which is just like this new one here. That's what's sticking out. I've already taken off that part, and the nut on the back. But that is very hard to get to. You can't get a socket on it. You can't get a wrench on it. It's just way too tight. I suppose to do it right, you would need to take off possibly your fuel bowl, possibly the fuel pump back there. I'm not sure. And then of course some oil line or diesel lines and stuff down in there. Very, very difficult to get to. What I did instead, I built a socket, went down to Napa, got a socket, ground that edge off so I could get it in there. You cannot put a wrench on the back of it because by the time you get it in there, it's way too far in. So that's 1/2 inch drive. That's nice because it fits very snug across there. You can get it in there real nice. So then you can see the grooves I ground into it the whole way around there. Get in there. Let me just show you. Get a light on there for you. See a little better. There. It's possibly a little better for you. Then if you turn this socket just right, get it down in there. Still no fun. Okay. Now, take a cold chisel, you get in one of those notches, and you tap it. You can tap it loose, and you can tap it tighter, taking it on and off. Takes a little bit to make your socket, but a whole lot faster than moving all that stuff. So that is how you change an IPR valve on a 7.3 liter first generation, or I guess 96 model.